What's something people don't know about Usha Chilukuri Vance? I will show you how her story intertwines with American politics. Usha Chilukuri Vance, born to Indian immigrants, is a distinguished litigator with degrees from Yale and Cambridge. She has clerked for Supreme Court Justices Brett Kavanaugh and John Roberts, showcasing her legal acumen. Her upbringing in a San Diego suburb emphasized education and hard work, values that have shaped her remarkable career. As a Gates Scholar at Cambridge, Usha was exposed to diverse intellectual circles, enriching her worldview. Usha played a critical role in shaping her husband J.D. Vance's perspective on rural America, significantly influencing his acclaimed memoir, Hillbilly Elegy. Their paths converged at Yale Law School, and they married in 2014, blending cultures with a Hindu ceremony honoring her heritage. Now, as J.D. Vance steps into the political spotlight as Donald Trump's vice president pick, Usha's influence and accomplishments add another layer to this dynamic partnership. Stay tuned as we follow her journey in the evolving political landscape.